Today, we are going to talk about the grammar of MARUDE. The grammar of MARUDE is mean that as if, as thought, just like or something. So in Japanese, when you use the grammar of MARUDE, you can use with the verb and the noun. So when you use with the verb, you should change the verb to be the casual form and followed by yo. And when you use with the noun, you should followed by no yo, something like this. You see here, before we start by maru, and after that you followed by verb, casual form plus yo, or you plus after marude, you can follow by noun and plus no yo, like this. And this had the meaning of as if, or as thought, or just like, or something. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of MARUDE, the next we are going to see some example of how to use the grammar of MARUDE. The first example, 合格した。まるで夢のようだ。合格した。まるで夢のようだ。Which means I passed. It's like a dream. I passed. It's like a dream. And the next example, すごい。まるで魔法のようだ。すごい。まるで魔法のようだ。Which means amazing. It's just like magic. Amazing. It's just like magic. For the first sentence, you see that you use the marude with the noun. You may is mean dream. So when you use with the noun, you just after marude you can put your noun, and after noun you should put by no yo, that something like this. And for the second sentence, it's just the same. We can use they use the marude with the noun. Maho is mean magic. Maho, and after maho is the noun, so after maho should be no yo, that something like this. So the first sentence, it had a meaning that gogaku shita, this means you passed the examination, and marude yume no yoda is like a dream, that you feeling that it's very fast and just like you dream when you pass. But the truth, if you successful something, or you succeed something, you try really hard, and you just prepare everything for just 1 hour or 30 minutes for the examination. So if you pass, you can imagine that just really short for you, but you couldn't pass. That means you sadly, right? So this is the feeling. So you can explain that marude yume no yoda. It means is exactly like the dream. And for the second sentence that we use with the maho is mean magic. Magic marude maho no yoda. This means that you do something. But you are really have the skill of that thing, and you can do faster or complete easily. So people that looking you looking to what you are did or what you are doing, that they might think is really like the magic. So the next we are going to learn the sentence. あの女の人は美しくて優しくてまるで天使のようだ。あの女の人は美しくて優しくてまるで天使のようだ。Which means that lady is beautiful and kind like an angel. That lady is beautiful and kind like an angel. For this sentence, you see that they will use with the noun, right? Marude tenshi. Tenshi is mean angel and is the noun, so after noun should be no yo, right? So in this sentence, we see that we use MARUDE tenshi no yo da, which means like an angel, 100%. In your opinion, in your thinking, in your idea, is like an angel, 100%. But don't know for other people, right? And this is how to use the MARUDE no yo da. MARUDE. Maru is mean 100%, right? In Japanese, the meaning that 100%. Something like this. And let's see an example. 最近できたロボットはまるで本物の人間のように動きます。最近できたロボットはまるで本物の人間のように動きます。Which means recently made robots move just like real humans. Recently made robots move just like real humans. For this sentence, they will use the marude with homono is mean the real thing, right? Homono is mean the real thing. So homono is the noun. So after the noun, you use it. In this sentence, in here, our noun in here not homono only, but homono no ningen is the big noun, right? Compound noun, right? Something like this. So in here, homono only is not homono only, but in noun in here is homono no ningen. This is the noun in this sentence. So after ningen no, we will follow by no and yo ni ugokimasu, right? So marude homono no ningen no yo ni ugokimasu, right? Okay, so be careful that in this sentence, our noun in here is not homono, but our noun in here is homono no ningen. It's quite long, and it is the compound of noun. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。